What I eat in a day, Bridal Edition. We are starting with our liquid collagen because after COVID, I looked like Cynthia from Rugrats. And then my mom put me onto this spoiled child collagen, which is thebomb.com. Run, don't walk to go and get it. After drinking a ton of water, I also have coffee out of the Keurig. My fiance got me drinking coffee, y'all. And now I'm addicted, but I really do like it. First thing in the morning. First thing that I'm eating is going to be 2 pink lady apples. So again, this is Bridal Edition. It's Operation Snatch Her Even More. I had some blog content that I had to make, some wedding makeup. That is going to be another story. I'm doing my own makeup for the wedding because I had a wedding trial and it was not successful. So I have just been practicing doing makeup more and more. And while I was doing makeup, I was watching this update to this case. You guys remember this? If you do not remember, this OnlyFans model who was making tons of money sliced her man up and is currently on trial. This is the look that I came up with, and this is one of the veils. This is the veil for my photo shoot, the engagement shoot we are going to have actually June. So this is super cute. It came and in the mail while I was doing everything. This is the bridal look that I came with. Who did not do that? I mean, come on, period. So had to shoot some of this content and had wine for a snack. And then for lunch, which I had really late, I had a huge salad that I made look amazing and it tasted even better. Tried to take a nap but couldn't. Got some new K-cups, and so I decided to make another coffee. This was another snack, quinoa burgers and some leftover cabbage. The dogs they were not allowing me to be great while I was working out, but I did get a workout in. And now we are prepping dinner. We're making these little salad rolls with sushi nori. It was not that successful, but we do not waste food. It was really good though. That is broccoli with sauced mushrooms, a little bit of salmon, and grilled veggies, more wine. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed, but I want to be honest with you guys about my life. And then I had watermelon as a snack.